This is YouTube homepage. Click your channel icon, then click YouTube Studio. At the left side, you see a gear icon. Click Setting, click Permission, Manage Permission. Here is brand account details, manage permission. Now is verification step. Then again go manage permission. Input which mail you want to transfer. Then you can set manager or owner, no problem. Just invite and done. When invite done, you will go check your email inbox. You will see a invitation. Just accept this invitation. And then wait 7 days. I will show you next step. After 7 days later, click Settings, Permission, then Manage Permission. Then again go Manage Permission. Then you type your password, phone verification. Then manage permission. Then here you set primary owner. You see your channel name. Then confirm transfer. And here, this is your current mail is primary owner, and now you delete your old Gmail ID. Cross section. You lose your access and you get full access to your new Gmail ID. That's it. If you feel this video is helpful, share your opinion and subscribe how to fix YouTube channel. So thank you.